Welcome to 60-Second Crypto. Today we're showing you how to mine Bitcore BTX. First thing you're going to want to download is CCminer from CCminer.org. Click the tprove it extension. Then you're going to want to download the 64 version and then extract that and follow the installation instructions. I'm going to skip that for the video. Go to yiimp.eu. Here you're going to find the BTX port on the right and the stratum information on the left. Copy that down. Now open the folder wherever you installed CCminer. You're going to see a list of batch files. Choose any of them. You might even have Bitcore BTX listed. Right click them, hit edit. It's going to open a script. This is where you're going to copy this stratum information. So you're going to copy everything after O, then paste the script from the YIMP website, and then make sure you sub in which pool you're using after yimp.eu and the colon, and make sure you put in your own wallet address after U. I'll include a copy of this full script in the description. If you opened another algorithm besides Bitcore, you're going to have to change the name of the algorithm after -a Bitcore. Make sure you guys give me a like and a subscribe.